Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we can learn how to remove the objects from the image with a free AI tool. So removing unwanted object from images can be a time consuming task, but with the advancement in artificial intelligence it has become much easier. So in this tutorial we will using a free AI tool which name is Hama. So and I will demonstrate to you how you can remove objects from images with ease. So here is the website which name is Hama. So if you want to go to this website, so just go to Google and type hama.app means app. So which directly redirects you to this website page. First of all, this is a very beautiful website page, and Hama is representing some sample images for you. Like if you see on my left hand side, there is a picture of a zebra crossing where so much of people, but another hand means right hand you can see there is only one person which holding the umbrella, but all other person are like magically removes. So this website does so many things for you. So let's try with an example. So let's take this photo of camera. In this photo there are so much objects like cup of a coffee, magnifying glass, camera, and purse, shoes. So let's try to remove this camera. So you have to just mark on a camera, like mark properly, and click on a erase. Let's see camera is removed or not. So you can see the camera is removed. Now let's try to remove this magnifying glass. So just be careful and mark this magnifying glass only, and after this click on a erase. Let's see. So you can see the magnifying glass are removed easily from this image. Let's try a different image. So if you want to use your image, you can just drag and drop your image and do this. So I am just using the this sample images. So let's try to remove this wine bottle. So you have to just mark it properly and click on a erase. Let's see. Okay, you can see the wine bottle is magically removed by this beautiful AI tool which name is Hama. So friends, if we're talking about the conclusion, so that is with this AI tool you can quickly and easily remove objects from images. Whether you are a professional photographer, graphical designer, or just someone who wants to remove the background from an image, this tool are great way to save your time and effort. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel and please share this video and help others. Okay, thank you friends.